Hey there, in this video we're gonna learn how to save your garment with a rotatable video. First of all, you have to ghost the mannequin. So I'm just unticking the mannequin option. Then in the file option, we have to select the video capture and turnable. You can select that it should be turned clockwise or anti-clockwise, or it should be in orientation of portrait or landscape. It's all your choice. Then hit the camera icon. It will take a couple of seconds. It will rotate in the direction that you have selected. So I think it's almost there. After that, you have to see if it's okay. In my case, it's almost clear. Then I will hit the save button and rename the file as I want. Then hit the save button. Then the video will automatically save. That's for today. Subscribe for more such tutorials. Thank you.